Now I need to save this first. I have to save this information. I go file and say save. Save. Then I am writing in folder, particular folder where I am writing what? This is what my first HTML program. Okay, lesson dash 3. Then we can have PRG first HTML PRG HTML PRG. Okay, dot HTML. And here very important is what? While saving, two things very important. Where are you saving? In what folder you are saving? What drive are you saving the file? That has to be remembered. And second is what? The file extension should be what? HTML. Now in sub tools, some editors, you should not write the HTML. Like Sublime automatically gives the extension HTML, but Notepad does not give. Notepad by default gives the extension of TXT. So while writing in Notepad, it is very important to give the extension called HTML. Now I save it. Go to the particular folder. Now this is our folder, HTML program. We'll go and we'll now double click, or we can save view in browser. We double click this. Now see our program.